Happy Monday! Monday! Today is Monday. Oh, look! My t-shirt. Olilite Toronto. This is my brand name. And to all team members of Olilite Toronto. It doesn't matter where you are, as long as you're under Olilite Toronto, which is me, so you will be part of Olilite Toronto. Here's my chicken massager. I'm going to use after my video. And look at my Therapy 90. This is the box of my chicken massager and my Galaxy G1, which is here. So it will activate eye cells. So if you have this, if you have an issue with your eyes, maybe it could help you. And if you have a stubborn belly, like me, look at me right now. See? Those who know me well, before, it's different. This is big, huge, and it's, you could see, oh, I cannot see it. I cannot see it. Now I can see. I can see it. All right. So to those who are, I prefer this yellow color with Olilite Toronto. I have red, I have brown, I have blue, brown, I think brown, yellow, blue, red, and green. Yeah, it's 5 colors. So I don't know. Those who are interested to have one of this, let me know. Okay. Cheers and have a happy Monday.